They're just people in my life and people in your life. When they walk in the room, I just kind of, you just kind of, you feel smarter. You feel a little more creative. Like, there's going to be something going on here. A lot of it is like expectations and support. And listen, don't hope to be that leader. Like you're equipped today. That's the thing. Like, you're equipped today to be that person. You just have to be willing to do what your mentors and influencers have done with you, and that is take a risk, understand the visionary part of leadership. And I think sometimes that gets lost in school leadership because there's just so much going on. And personally, I think the span of control in school leadership is ridiculous. I mean, Walmart has a better structure. There's the general manager, right? The principal. But then you got shift leaders and head cashiers. I mean, you've got cascading leadership. I mean, it's no different than superintendent either. I mean, because the smaller the district is, I mean, you're just sitting there. I mean, you are pretty much it. And so there's a lot of potential for survival mode stuff. Stuff's just swirling, just always, the tennis racket, just knocking stuff back all the time. But I don't want us to forget about that visionary part of leadership, that coaching part of leadership, because that's what every one of you described.